afternoon. Welcome to Jamb Government Power Question. Question 2014. Question number 36 says, a problem of public corporations in Nigeria is that. A problem of public corporation in Nigeria is that. Now, when we talk of public corporation is government establishment. Government establishment that are formed to provide essential services. So one of the major problems of that's what the question is asking: choice of leadership. That's option A. B. Public control. C. Emphasis on subsidies. D. Wastage of resources. Well, talk of wastage of resources means misuse of government resources. So option D is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.